Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log in to Cardinal Mortgage account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since the process is quite easy. The first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in cardinalfinancial.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will then take you to the official website for Cardinal Financial Company Limited homepage. Go to the top of the screen and mouse over to the My Loan option and click on Make a Payment in order to log into your mortgage account. Click on the Sign In button appearing on the left-hand side menu. You can also create a new account if you're new to Cardinal. Click on the Create Account button and follow through the on-screen instructions to sign up for Cardinal. To log into an existing account, click on Sign In on the left-hand side corner of the screen and then you will end up in the login page. In the login area, you will need to enter your username and password associated with your account. Start off by typing in your correct username and enter your correct password on the next page. If you don't remember your username or your password, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. Once you are logged into your account, you can now manage your Cardinal Mortgage account, make a payment, view your statements, and much more. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.